Everyone has their own idea about quality. A lot of aspects influence a product's quality, but in general, the aim is always to create reliability and a low total cost of ownership. To us, superior quality means productivity for our customers. The best motor or generator is the one that just keeps going, hour after hour, year after year, with high reliability and at a low operating cost. It's our mission to make sure we deliver this every time. Our processes are conformed worldwide to ensure the highest quality from conceptual design to a finished motor. That's why ABB quality knows no boundaries. It's truly a global phenomenon. We call it Made in ABB.
For every new design, there is a proven and well-documented process which is followed step by step in all development made by ABB around the world. Our global experiences are always used to optimize quality and cost.
Our worldwide design and manufacturing standards allow us to secure top quality in every single location, no matter if it's coming out from USA, Europe or Asia. Each motor and generator is produced according to the same processes and rigorous quality criteria. That's why customers rely on ABB quality regardless of the manufacturing site.
Standardized manufacturing method, careful training all of our staff, allow us manufacturing millions of units per year with the same high quality in all of our plants over the world.
With in-house sourcing of key components, ABB is able to control and guarantee a consistent and high-quality product.
ABB quality is the sum of perfecting our process at every stage of the delivery chain. Our customers provide continuous feedback, which is collected and evaluated by ABB people around the globe. This experience is a base for developing our knowledge and our products. To us, living up to our quality standards is an affair of the heart.
Global ABB test protocols ensures that each component holds the ABB standard. ABB quality means passing the needle's eye. Our product usually operates in mission-critical processes, which means reliability is one of the most important performance criteria. With certified engineers and harmonized maintenance services, we can guarantee short commissioning times and efficient operations throughout the service life. In all steps, from initial design to motor running in critical operation, everyone at ABB has customer productivity and quality as main targets. So what's quality to us at ABB? It's what we do every day, everywhere.